Good morning, dear students. Today we'll start with the page number 134. Yesterday we have seen in previous page that Tejal and her mommy went to Harsh's house, okay, for cleaning. Now Harsh has put a bucket below the tap to fill water for his bath. Then he sat down to watch TV. So much water was wasted. I did not like it. I went and closed the tap. Okay. Now what Hers has done? As soon as he get up and was trying to get bath, okay, what he has done? He has put a bucket below the tap to fill water. Okay. Then he sat down to watch the TV. Fine. Now, even we experience while watching the TV, we just forget the time, and even we spend 2 or 3 hours in front of TV, right? So, same way, hers just opened the tap for the water, and he has set to watch the TV, and he forget. Okay, so much water was wasted, and Tejal did not like it. Tejal went and closed the tap. Now you tell me, shall we waste the water this way? No. While the tap is open and we are waiting to fill the water, okay, in the bucket, we must stand over there and we must take care that water cannot be wasted, okay. Hers house has big glass windows. Mammy told me to look down from the window. I could see Mama's street and the houses, but I could make out which was his house. From up there, everything below looked like small toys. I was quite afraid to look down from such a height. Okay, this is multi-story building, and Tejal might be walking over here with her mammy. So while mammy told her to look out, to have a glance, right? At that time, she just afraid from the height. And if we have experience, if we have, if we watch any view from the height, it seems they are like toys, right? Even if you have traveled through the plane and experience, then you might be come to know that while we are flying at the height and we are looking down from the plane window, then it seems that the cars are very tiny. Even it can be fit in our palm, right? So same way, while we are looking from the height, might be sometime we can get afraid from the height also, but it will be wonderful view to our eyes. Okay. When Tejal first came to Ahmedabad, what were the things that she was afraid to do? Alright, one answer I have given you, the crowded city. She was afraid of this crowded city. You'll have to read the chapter, right? First two paragraph. You'll come to know the answer. You'll write here. Okay. What were the difference between the houses where Mama lived and the houses of high-rise buildings? You can write according to Tejal's experience. Houses in the area where Mama lived and houses in a high-rise building. Okay, where Mama lived, I'm telling you one answer. Okay, where Mama lived, they have to queue up, right? They have to make a queue. They have to be lined up to fetch the water. Where else in a high-rise building, the separate bathrooms are available for them to use, right, in their own home. So they don't have to queue up or don't have to go in public toilet. Okay, fine. So you have to write the differences yourself. This is your homework. Tell about yourself. Draw a circle around the kind of house you live in. Is it like the house of Tejal, Mama, Harsh, or any other kind? Okay. Where does the water come from in your house? Okay, now this is not a like hard question. We all know we are living in high societies nowadays, and we are having well made home, okay, pakka house we must say, and we have all the facilities. Our family is trying hard and enough to provide us with various facilities, right? So thanks to your parents that they are working hard for our comfortability, right? Is there an electricity connection in your house? How many hours in a day you get electricity? Of course, for 24 hours, right? Which is the nearest hospital in the area where you live? The name of the hospital you have to write. How far the place is given below from your house? Okay. Bus stop, school, market, post office, hospital. For this, you must have walked through it, right? Previously, if you went by walking, so you might be knowing the time, the approximate time you can write, okay? In kilometers, you might be not knowing, so ask to your elders, they will help you. Now draw pictures in your notebook of the different kind of houses in the area. So this is your homework of today, this page, alright, and this one. Draw a picture of house of your choice and color it. So I can say that is your dream house. Okay, that's it for today.